Welcome to Drawing Box Studio, and today we are going to make Nick from movie Zootopia. And let's draw. We will start from the eyes, and the eyes are in round shape. So make a round. Be steady. Don't make haste. Leave two eye shines. Marker to color it. Because that marker will take a lot of time to fill, so I use my that marker. Okay, so the first eye is ready. Now we are going towards the second eye. The second eye is half distance away from the first eye, and first make lines. So from that technique you will get the idea of the height of the first eye, and the second eye should be the same. Okay, leave two circle over here. Okay, the Nick eyes is almost ready, and then after the try fill out this, we will move towards face outline. The eyes are ready. Now we are going to make the nose. The nose should be in the center of the two eyes, and it should be in oval shape but a little pointy from the center like this, and you have to left a shine over here to give the volume to the nose, and the nose is ready. And now we are going to make his smile. He is looking so nice right now. And now we are going to make his eyebrows. Make a straight line, a curve like this, and color it in black. You can use pencil colors, watercolors, any medium you like most. The eyebrows are ready. Now we are going to make the outline of neck. So where the eyebrow is ended, make a line. Okay, this is his head. The outline of the neck is ready. We have to separate the areas. From the center of the nose, make a line like this, so it will define more, because this is the orange part and this is the off-white part. Now we are going to make the ear. For ear, where the circle line should be like this circle, follow the flow, make a mark. This should be in the center of the eye and connect to the center. And the first ear is ready. Now we are going to make the second. For second, make a line, so we will get the idea of height. Where the first ear is start, we should make the second one like this, and the ears are ready. Now we are going to make the body. For body, first make the collar of the shirt. He always wearing in the movie. And now we are going to make the tie. straight line. The tie is ready. Make straights. This is the necktie is ready. Now we are going to make the arm. For arm, where the collar is ended, we are going to make the shirt line. Make a diagonal line over here, and this is the arm, and this is the shirt line should be. And with the center of the tie we connect it. Make a pocket. And the shirt is looking very nice. Now we are going to make the second side and follow the same procedure. Make the lines so you should have the same height and the same arm. Okay. And the shirt of Nick is ready. Now we are going to make the legs. For legs, make a curve line. Like this. First leg is ready. Now we are going to make the second one. Should be the same height. Like this. The legs of Nick is ready. Now we are going to make the feet. For feet, line. Because he is a wolf, so he has paw like that, feet like that. Okay, now we are going to make the tail. This is the tail line. And our Nick is ready. Thanks for watching Drawing Box Studio, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.